Ever wondered if we could hack our own biology, much like a computer, to optimize our health, well-being, and performance? Welcome to the world of biohacking, a realm where science and lifestyle converge. This is where we make conscious changes to our environment, diet, sleep patterns, and more to influence our body's natural processes for the betterment of our health and performance. Biohacking is not some sci-fi concept from the distant future. It's happening right here, right now. It's gaining traction, becoming a buzzword in wellness circles, and starting to make waves in mainstream health discussions. From Silicon Valley entrepreneurs to athletes to anyone who wants to take control of their own health, biohacking is increasingly becoming the go-to strategy. But as with anything new and innovative, biohacking has its share of controversy. Critics question the scientific validity behind some biohacking practices, while proponents argue that it represents a new frontier in personal health management. The debate is real. Is biohacking a flash in the pan, a trending hashtag doomed to fade away? Or is it a genuine glimpse into the future of health and wellness? The answer may lie somewhere in between. While some aspects of biohacking might be dismissed as fads, others hold the potential to transform our understanding of health and wellness. It's a world where we can potentially tweak our genes to prevent diseases, optimize our nutrition based on our unique genetic makeup, and use data to make informed decisions about our health. Biohacking is not just about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about understanding the complex systems that make us who we are, then using that knowledge to optimize our health and performance. It's about taking an active role in our own health rather than being passive recipients of healthcare. So, is biohacking a fad or the future? Perhaps it's a bit of both. It's a trend that's certainly making waves, but it also holds the potential to shape the future of personal health. So let's delve into the top 5 trending topics in biohacking and see what they entail. At number 1, we have nutritional nutrigenomics. Imagine a world where you could customize your diet based on your unique genetic makeup. Welcome to nutritional genomics, the science that explores how our genes interact with our diet. It's like having your personal nutritionist embedded in your DNA, guiding you towards optimal health, one meal at a time. You see, each one of us carries around 20,000 genes, and all these genes interact in complex ways with the foods we eat. Some genes might make us more prone to weight gain when we eat certain foods, while others might increase our risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes or heart disease. Now, biohackers are using this knowledge to their advantage. Armed with their genetic data, they are tailoring their diets to suit their unique genetic profiles. They're selecting foods that their bodies can metabolize efficiently and avoiding those that might trigger negative health outcomes. For instance, if a biohacker's genetic profile reveals a higher risk for high cholesterol, they might opt for a diet low in saturated fats. Or if someone has a gene variant linked to caffeine sensitivity, they may limit their coffee intake. It's all about understanding the intricate dance between genes and nutrition, and using that knowledge to optimize health. So nutrigenomics is all about eating right for your genes. Quite a personalized approach to nutrition, isn't it? Next up, we have nootropics, also known as smart drugs. These aren't your typical over-the-counter medication. Nootropics are substances that can give your brain a significant boost. Imagine being able to think faster, remember more, and stay focused longer. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But for biohackers, this is a reality they strive to achieve using nootropics. These cognitive enhancers come in a variety of forms, from prescription medication used for ADHD and Alzheimer's, to natural substances like ginkgo biloba and caffeine. Yes, even your morning cup of joe can be considered a nootropic. But how do these substances work? Well, they enhance brain function by influencing neurotransmitters, the chemicals your neurons use to communicate. By fine-tuning these chemical messages, nootropics can enhance memory, boost creativity, and even increase motivation. Now, it's important to note that while nootropics can offer significant benefits, they aren't a magic bullet. In addition to integrating nootropics into a well-rounded routine, it's crucial to prioritize foundational aspects of health, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and effective stress management. Cognitive enhancers can amplify your mental capabilities, but their efficacy is significantly enhanced when the body and mind are already functioning optimally. They're tools to be used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. Good sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet are still essential for optimal brain function. Biohackers use nootropics as a part of their broader strategy to optimize their bodies and minds. They understand that while these substances can give them an edge, they're not a substitute for the fundamentals of good health. Nootropics, therefore, offer a way to upgrade our brain functions. Quite a fascinating concept, isn't it? Coming in at number 3 is DIY biology, where biohacking gets a bit more hands-on. DIY biology, also known as citizen science, is an exciting realm where curious minds venture into the mysteries of life itself. It's all about conducting scientific research and biology experiments outside of traditional labs. Imagine brewing your kombucha, growing your medicinal mushrooms, or even experimenting with your DNA at home. It's not just about playing mad scientist. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of your own biology and how it interacts with the world around you. DIY biology is a testament to human curiosity and the democratization of science. It's the embodiment of the biohacker's mantra: if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. By taking control of their experiments, biohackers can better understand their bodies, their health, and ultimately their lives. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While DIY biology opens up a world of possibilities, it's crucial to approach it with safety and ethics in mind. It's not a free pass to play fast and loose with nature, but an invitation to understand and respect it more deeply. DIY biology truly takes personal health management into our own hands. It's a fascinating journey of discovery, one that can lead to a healthier, more informed life. So are you ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of DIY biology? The 4th trend is the quantified self movement, where technology meets biohacking. In our increasingly digital world, the quantified self movement is gaining traction. It's all about using technology to collect personal data related to our health and lifestyle. From the number of steps we take each day, to our sleep patterns, to our heart rate, and even our genetic makeup, every piece of data matters. But what do we do with all this information? That's where biohackers come in. They aren't just collecting data for the sake of it. They're using it as a tool to optimize their health and performance. They take the raw data, analyze it, and then use it to make informed decisions about their diet, exercise, sleep, and other lifestyle factors. Imagine knowing exactly how much sleep your body needs to function optimally, or what type of exercise gives you the most energy. Imagine being able to tailor your diet to your body's specific needs based on real, hard data. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi concept. It's happening right now, thanks to the quantified self movement. The beauty of this movement is that it puts the power back into our hands. We're no longer relying solely on doctors or health experts to tell us what's best for our bodies. Instead, we're using data to become our own health experts. The quantified self movement shows us that when it comes to biohacking, data is power. Finally, at number 5, we have epigenetics. This field is absolutely fascinating, as it delves into how our behaviors and environment can actually cause changes that affect the way our genes work. Unlike genetics, which is the study of genes themselves, epigenetics looks at the external modifications that turn genes on or off. So why are biohackers interested in epigenetics? Well, it's all about control. Biohackers are all about self-improvement, optimization, and control. Epigenetics provides a potential pathway for them to influence their own genetic expression. They can potentially turn on genes that promote health and longevity, or turn off genes that lead to disease and aging. But it's not as simple as flipping a switch. Epigenetic changes are complex and interconnected. But the potential is there, and that's why it's such a hot topic in the biohacking community. Epigenetics suggests that we can influence our genes. It's truly a brave new world of biohacking. So there you have it, the top 5 trending topics in biohacking. We've delved into the intriguing world of nutritional genomics, unraveling how our diet can directly impact our genes. We've explored the realm of nootropics, substances that have the power to enhance our cognitive abilities. We've stepped into the DIY biology sphere, where individuals are conducting scientific research outside traditional settings. We've journeyed through the quantified self movement, examining how tracking personal data can lead to improved health outcomes. And finally, we've touched on epigenetics, the study of how our behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way our genes work. These emerging trends are redefining our understanding of health, well-being, and the human potential. They are driving us towards a future where we can actively manage our own health at a molecular level, leading to a revolution in personal health management. While the future of biohacking is yet to be written, one thing is clear: it's a field that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of biohacking.